Look, we are well into summer. But I wanted to drop this video looking at the summer 2024 line of shorts outfits that Ralph Lauren put out this year. The 2024 Olympic Games just finished up. And if you didn't know, Ralph Lauren once again has designed the team uniform for Team America. So, the timing is right for this video. Those of you who know me know that I am a huge Ralph Lauren fan. I really love the design team's grasp on classic men's style, which is really where our age group fits best. Those of you who watch this channel on a semi-regular basis know that my philosophy is that we need to dress not to our age, as others may tell you, but rather we need to focus on dressing to our strengths. And our strengths change as we age. By the way, I did get a new microphone for this time around, but I just could not get it to work with my current setup. As you know, this is a very small channel. We have less than 2,000 subscribers right now, and I'm just trying to get a little better with each video. And I'm so very grateful that you guys are joining me on this journey of growth and improvement. If this is your first time here, hey, welcome. This is a channel that is dedicated to men over 40 who may be just discovering men's fashion for the first time. In the modern world, we so often see men in this age group going through some monumental changes in their lives, namely becoming a divorcee or a widower or an empty nester. The kids have gone off to college, or other life changes such as the loss of your parents. These are huge changes and they impact us profoundly. If you want to elevate the way that you present yourself to the world around you and subsequently impact your own self-image and mental health, look, this just might be the channel for you. If you're not a man over 40, well, you either know one or you will be one before you know it. This might be the channel for you too. So ever so gently, depress that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Guys, this is the Gray Fox Mandem, and I'm Carl. Let's jump right into today's subject matter, the Ralph Lauren Summer 2024 shorts line. Now, first of all, let me say that I was kind of taken aback by some of the outfits in their line. They had some weird retro, look at this, throwback stuff like these camo cargo pocket shorts with Velcro sandals and socks. Okay, they're pranking us, right? They gotta be. This can't be real. Or these. Look at these. Is Ralph Lauren handling the costumes for a movie about the 1930s Olympic team? It's even listed on their website as classic fit. Brother, the last time men's 5-inch shorts were considered classic, it was the 1970s, and McEnroe was playing Wimbledon. But okay, let's look at a few of the other shorts outfits that would be considered perhaps more appropriate for our age group. Ralph Lauren Summer 2024 shorts outfit number 1. This gentleman is wearing a classic navy and white Greek striped polo over some olive drab shorts, fitted just above the knee. For footwear, he's wearing dark brown boat shoes. This is a textbook classic men's outfit that's appropriate for any age group. The navy green combo makes this an analogous color scheme. Very easy on the eyes. For accessories, he's wearing a woven brown leather belt that loosely matches his brown leather watch band, and the boat shoes, well. A couple of things. Note how the polo sleeves are hitting right on his bicep. Look, that's perfect. The length, however, seems to be a little long. I think this is because they wanted to emphasize the front tuck that this guy has going on. This is a bit youthful and may actually be on the way out soon. For our age group, I would recommend tucking it in entirely or leave it untucked altogether. What? Ralph Lauren's Summer 2024 shorts outfit number 2. This guy is wearing a patterned blue and white button-down with the sleeves loosely rolled to a 3/4 inch sleeve length over some white solid shorts. For footwear, he's wearing these awesome blue canvas espadrilles. His accessories include a brown leather belt, which matches his brown leather watch band perfectly. A pretty simple outfit. Looking closer, we can see that he's also wearing a navy tee beneath the button-down. Great layering. But digging deeper, it looks like the tee is actually a navy and white Greek striped tee. I'm glad his outer layer is buttoned up. Be careful, guys, with wearing contrasting patterns. The checked overshirt looks great with the solid shorts, but if you unbutton that overshirt and reveal some horizontal stripes, it just might throw you into a seizure. A solid navy tee or a solid white tee beneath that shirt would look fantastic. Did I mention how much I love those espadrilles? Ralph Lauren's Summer 2024 shorts outfit, number 3. This guy is either coming to steal your girl by bragging how much is in his portfolio, or he's applying to be a caddy at the Masters. He's wearing a navy polo tucked into some lengthy khaki shorts. His footwear are some simple, not quite minimalist white sneakers with no-show socks. His accessories include a dark brown leather belt which perfectly matches his brown leather watch band. Shorts outfits don't get any more straightforward than this. I think I would prefer the sleeves to be a little shorter though, and maybe a little more snug on his bicep. Maybe the dude just needs to do more curls, I don't know. The shorts, too, could be a little shorter. Hitting right on the knee like this is acceptable, it's a Bermuda length. But I think having the hem an inch and a half shorter would add some masculinity to this outfit. Ralph Lauren Summer 2024 shorts outfit number 4. I like this outfit for a number of reasons, but I do admit that its use in summer is limited. But let's take a look. He's wearing a navy cable knit sweater over a blue microstripe button down. His shorts are in stone, which are hemmed right around the knee. His footwear are some navy canvas sneakers with no-show socks. His accessories include a brown leather belt, which matches his brown leather watch band nicely. By the way, extra cool points for matching blue watch face. The shorts could be a little shorter, but they're fine. I said this outfit was limited before simply because that cable knit sweater is a pretty heavy outer layer. Layers are great though, even in the summer months, because you have the freedom to shed layers during the heat of the day and add them again as the sun goes down and the temperature drops. I can appreciate the reveal of the button-down shirt hem from underneath the sweater, but it may be a little too slovenly for our age group. The reveal on the sleeves, however, are perfect. These provide an aesthetic border for the eye and establishes perfect proportions when viewed with the collar popping out on top. These proportions are echoed with the white laces and the soles of the shoes. Ralph Lauren's Summer 2024 shorts outfit number 5. There's a lot going on here. This gentleman is wearing a blue denim jacket over a primarily green sports sweatshirt over a multicolored flannel shirt. Downstairs, he's wearing some khaki shorts that are cut just above the knee. For footwear, he's wearing some beautiful blue denim sneakers. For accessories, yikes, I don't know. His shorts have a tie to them, so I'm assuming there's no belt. His watch is mostly hidden beneath the 3 layers that he's wearing. So let's talk color scheme. The blue-green combo makes an analogous color scheme, but there is red in his shirt. I can only assume that this was intentional. I mean, this was put out by the Ralph Lauren design team after all, right? So the green-red combo creates a complementary color scheme. Khaki is neutral, if you don't already know. Khaki or brown is created when you mix 2 complementary colors together. That's why the color khaki is so versatile. You can wear it with just about anything. It's also why Ralph Lauren has made roughly $1 gajillion off of their khaki line. But with this outfit in particular, the blue denim motif bookends everything vertically with the jacket and the sneakers. But everything else in the middle is kind of a chaotic color hodgepodge. Now, I would recommend either wearing the sweatshirt or the dress shirt, but not both. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, ever so gently, depress that like button on your way out the door. You know, today we talked a little bit about color schemes. We talked a little about shoes and how they fit in with your outfit. Let's tie all of that together and watch this video next, where you and I talk about matching your shoe color with various colors of outfits. Take care, gentlemen. Peace.